I'm Ebony and I'm going to show you an affordable way to modernise your room simply by installing some new wardrobe handles. To install your new wardrobe handles, you'll need a drill, a square, some sandpaper, Spakfilla, pencil and a screwdriver. The first thing I'm going to do is remove the old handles. If the existing holes don't match the new handles, you'll need to fill them. Spakfilla is a great product because it dries really fast. I'm now going to mark where I want the handle to go. To make sure my handles are straight, we're going to be marking it with a square. I've just chosen a drill bit, which is a similar size to my screw. Pre-drilling the hole will make your life a lot easier. Before you drill, don't forget your glasses. Safety comes first. Now for the exciting part, time to screw on the new handles. So we're just going to place the screws through the holes, having a washer on each side to protect it from scratches. I'm going to place the handle on and tighten the screws. To make sure the handle is nice and secure, I'm going to finish tightening it with the drill. That was so easy. In a few simple steps, we've transformed the whole look of this wardrobe.